Imagine someone would show you 3 high-performing dropshipping stores that you can instantly copy and make money as well. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video because that's what I have been doing the last few months. You guys can see while I'm recording this video, we're already in the afternoon at 5K per day. And as you guys can see, the last 30 days, we generated over 250K USD. And in the last 90 days, I've generated close to 500K USD, which is insane. $500,000 by just copy and pasting some simple stores. So today I'm going to show you a few stores that are killing it right now on Google Ads dropshipping. I will give you the URL. I will give you the bestsellers URL. And I will show the ads that they're running. And I would also tell you what you should be doing better instead what they are doing to make even more money. Because it's not only copy and paste, but also a little small improvement that increases your sales instantly. So I will give you 3 different stores in 3 different markets and in 3 different niches as well, so you can see what is working and what's not working. So let's start with this one, Falkenstein. As you guys probably have seen, this is a German store. I love the German market. I think this is the #1 market for Google Ads dropshipping in Europe because it has so much buying power. The con with this is you rely a lot on PayPal. But as you guys can see, the German market is pretty simple because you can just create an ugly store like this. And these guys are doing almost 357K monthly visitors. SimilarWeb is always behind. So I think these guys are doing 600K monthly visitors. So that is 600K per month with this insane, simple store. If I go to their bestsellers, you guys can see that they're selling a lot of men products and a little bit of women products as well, but mostly men. And I think they started, I guess, in the winter and the autumn season last year because a lot of these products are mostly for autumn, but I can see some summer products right now coming in as well. And this is the #1 bestseller, of course, the orthopedic shoe that everyone is selling, which is insane, but this thing keeps printing. I had this product before on my store in 2023, and we did 1.2 million with that store, and I believe 400K was only with this pair of shoes. People are buying a shit ton of it. So that's literally it. This is the best performing product of the store. If you would copy and paste this one, what can we learn? Black and white always is the best performing colors for this one. It's with red pricing and in green the saving button, which is really, really good. Some USPs under the add to cart button and some payment icons as well. I would never maybe go into with Klarna because you really attract people that don't have money and they finance themselves, then they cannot pay the bill and Klarna comes after you. I'm not a big fan of Klarna, but yeah, that's what I would do differently when I would do this kind of store. PayPal and credit card is fine, to be honest, but be prepared. If you go into this market, you will get 70 to 80% with PayPal, and PayPal is famous for holding some money for at least 21 to 30 days. So you need to have some cash flow when you start copy and pasting this store, okay? If we check their ads, you can just go to Google Ads Transparency Center and you guys can see, we can click on all ads. You even can see the advertiser. So when you click on the advertiser, you will see way more stores that they are running as well. So that's how you can even snipe more stores. And here you guys can see the ads are running on a lot of Google search, a lot of Google shopping, but mostly all Google shopping, and that's really powerful. No store that I'm showing you guys today is doing meta ads, TikTok ads, nothing. And maybe you guys really, really like this, that I'm showing these kind of stores. And if you guys find this valuable, just drop a comment and say, thank you, Jasper. I love you, Jasper. Thank you for the value. Everything positive. I will send you my list of my high-performing dropshipping stores that I just created, 16 of them with their bestsellers, with their ads, with the URL, and with the monthly revenue. I will send it to you as a gift to you. But please drop a comment with something nice, okay? So let's move on. But you guys can see only running Google Ads, which is really, really powerful. This kind of volume is insane. I think this is crazy. You guys can see #1 market is Germany. And then you see #1 search. That means that they are doing a lot of Google Ads. And then, of course, direct. This is only Google Ads. No social, as you guys can see, which makes sense because it's only Google. But let's move on to the second store, which is fashion. And this is, I think, in the UK market. Yes, this is in the UK market. So now a different market and one of my favorite ones as well. And that's the UK less relying on the PayPal. So I think it's 15-20% PayPal, and the rest will be credit card, which is really, really good for your cash flow. And as you guys can see, pretty simple store. Let me see what this guy is doing. This guy is doing 200K monthly visits. So this one will be doing 400K per month. 400K per month, only Google Ads as well. Let me see if this is saying something. Sometimes this is not, this is social, but I see direct and search. These guys are doing mostly Google Ads as well, as you guys can see. So let's see what their best sellers are. That's this link. I didn't even check this before, but again, orthopedic shoes, running shoes, that's what they call it. I don't think these are running shoes, but yeah, credits to them. They do some really good urgency and scarcity as well. So I think what you could do better is make this bold red, for example, or bold black, and make this bold and red. So really show that it is in sale. Maybe some urgency as well, that they're almost sold out. They have some reviews in there as well, some size charts, really, really nice. This is also very good. I do miss PayPal here. By adding PayPal to the UK market, you can instantly have like 10-15% more sales. So if you copy and paste this store, please add PayPal to it so you will make more money. Pretty simple, pretty easy. As you guys can see, I think this is even a free team as well. It really looks like the Sense team. Yeah, the Sense or Dawn. Like, this is a very simple store. A shit ton of products, by the way, 7,000, which is insane. But yeah. Oh, this is also very good. Influencer approved. I don't know if you would say this, that it is influencer approved, because the people that you attract here are 40, 50 plus. So I would literally show a customer avatar that matches the 40, 50-year-old that will buy this. But most of them are really good. Let's see what their ads are doing as well. Okay, let's click on see all ads. You guys can see shopping ads, heavily on shopping ads. So this is why they're not doing any Facebook and TikTok ads. Like, I can keep scrolling with these guys. It's insane. A shit ton of Google ads, a shit ton. This is why they're doing 400K per month. Here you see the best sellers coming in. They even sell a lot of dresses. They sell some men products as well. Some suits I saw. Oh man, they have a shit ton of ads live. This one, that's nice. Looks good, to be honest. Wedding, okay, that looks really good. So yep, they're doing an amazing job. UK market, I think this is my second favorite market, to be honest. Really good capital, really much, a lot of buying power, and of course a lot of possibility to scale because it's a huge, huge country. So let's go now to the third one. That's a US store. This is also in the fashion niche, but this has been done very nicely. They're using a lot of AI models on the front. I think it's a little bit overdone, to be honest. It's like all over the place. They do use the same model everywhere, which is really smart, but I think it's a little bit overdone. But still, let's see. I think this one was a smaller store. Let's see. 50K. So these guys are doing 150K per month, but they're doing this in the US market. A lot of people always ask me, yeah, Jesper, you have always been teaching this and saying this mostly in the European market. Does this also work outside in the Big Five? Yes. My main store that is killing it right now, that is making 5K already, these are in the Big Five: UK, US, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. So yes, that is possible. Okay, let's go back to that store. Let's see, if we would copy and paste this one, what would I do differently? Well, of course, sales prices, that's one of the most important things. People love sales, especially in the US. They do have here free shipping $100. So you should say here free shipping above $100. I don't know if this is true. Let me see if I added the cart. No, it doesn't say any shipping cost. Let me see. No. Okay. So that's something you can do way better. I think people love free shipping, especially when they are doing some fashion stuff. Oh, this is really good. 10% discount, use summer 10. I think what's better to put in here, when you buy 2+ products, you get 15% off or 10% off. It boosts your AAV a lot. They have also influencer approved, so I guess this is the same owner. Well, GG for you, because I just found 2 stores from you in the main listings. The stores that I'm sharing right now, these are the top performing stores in the markets. Like I said, I have a list of 16 of them. Just leave a nice comment below and I will give it as a gift to you. Here again, we're missing PayPal. In the US, really powerful. If you add PayPal to it, you will be printing when you do PayPal. For the rest, I think this is looking nicely. What is their bestseller? Okay, winter boots, because we just came out of winter, of course. Let me see. Yeah, you see the original price should be maybe in front. I think this is better because this is adding 2 lines now, which is stupid. If you add this line here, you have 1 more line and it's optimized for above the fold. I love the color swatches, by the way. Really good, really well done. The US pricing and sizing, really good. But still, no urgency, no scarcity, no social proof, only this thing here. I think that's not the best. All US delivery costs $6.99, free shipping over $100. That's fine. And this is really good. You might also like really good because these are also winter boots, but then you're showing the exact same product for 2 different prices. So this is not good. I hope the person that watches this video and this store fix this ASAP, because I guess people will buy this one instead of this one. And of course, some customer reviews. Okay, let's look at their ads. Let's click on see all ads. And I guess they have a shit ton of ads as well online, as more men products here as well. Okay, I still see that they're still in autumn season, not in summer. Maybe because in the US you have like different seasons because the country is so huge. Even still some hoodies, some jackets as well. So I think, how many products? Yeah, this guy has a shit ton of products online, and I don't know how much he's spending, to be honest. I think, let's say 1 to 2K per day, maybe 3K per day. I think by even decreasing the amount of products and going all in with summer products, you will survive this summer and you will be printing until late August, September. I think that's better because this makes sense why this is still the best performer. We just need more summer products. You can literally, I think they have it on the banner, right? See, I get ready for summer. If I click on it, it doesn't, it opens the linen. Okay, this is good. Pretty expensive, by the way. Very expensive stuff. So I think this is a little bit too pricey for the products. So if you lower your prices, you will be printing more. So if you copy this store, please make sure you're more around this price, like $34.49. That's still fine. But for example, I know that these are one of my best sellers as well. And I have it at least 20, 30 bottles cheaper. The same with this, the same with this. Like this needs to be like $49.95. This one as well, $49.95, like this. And then you will be printing. And then you see they have a shit ton of ads as well. So now we have seen 3 stores that are printing it on Google Ads Dropshipping. And that's exactly what I've been teaching people in the Freedom Achievers community. Because if you see this, for example, in the classroom, and we go to the Google Ads Masterclass, that's exactly what we do. I tell them what is actually Google Ads, how to find your market and your niche. So you're going to do the niche research as well. Then you're going to build your store. Then you're going to set up the Google Merchant Center, which is the toughest. And we have a full masterclass around this as well. Then, of course, we set up the tracking, and then we start and test and scale the Google Ads. We optimize the team structure, do a better VET system, email marketing, everything. Like everything A to Z is in this. So if you want to get started with Google Ads Dropshipping and you want to make at least 100K per month, well, first link in the description for the Freedom Achievers, because that's exactly what we teach. Within 90 days, you make your first 1K a day with Google Ads Dropshipping. First link in the description. So if you want to see how Google Ads Dropshipping can change your life completely, check out this video, because that's exactly where I tell my journey when I started with Google Ads Dropshipping, and it completely changed my life. For now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.